What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I actually was able to pick up a new car part today, and it's going to actually start a little project for me because it's something I've never done before. So we're going to get in here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I picked up for the car. It's just in the trunk. Let's pop it. Now, like I was just saying, I've never done anything like this before, but this, what we have here, let's get in the garage where I can show it to you without breaking it. Alright, without further ado, we got a carbon fiber rear diffuser cover for the back of my FRS. Now, as you can tell, it's not in perfect shape. It's got a crack going kind of right down the middle. It's got some minor imperfections, but the actual integrity of it, there's nothing wrong here. It's not been cracked. I think it's just the clear coat on the outside. So what I'm going to do, let me set this down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to learn how to re-clear coat this and sand it down so we can put it on the back of the car. I'll show you exactly where it's going to go. Because the car right now, it has this. So it's kind of a cool little carbon-ish. I mean, this car's really dirty right now, but it almost looks like fake carbon fiber on the back of these cars. And this one, as you can tell, this is all real shiny gloss carbon fiber. So I'll kind of show you a little idea of what this will look like once it's on the back of the car. I think it's much more aggressive. See if we can get it on there one-handed here. It will actually, in theory, just kind of slip over the mufflers here and pop right on over the top of that. I mean, obviously we'll have to make it fit, but it'll go on, looks like with just some double-sided tape there. And I think it gives the car a much more aggressive look on the back. And once we get all that cleaned up, I think it's going to look amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out exactly how to clear coat something like this, how to sand it down. So if you've had any luck in the past with clear coating carbon fiber, resanding carbon fiber, let me know in the comments how you went about doing it. I'm going to start watching some YouTube videos on it, see how easy it is. But I think once I get this done, this is going to really kind of set off the look of the back of the car. We'll have some extra carbon fiber to go along with my carbon fiber wing on there. I think it's going to look really, really good. So I'm going to start working on that. That's coming in probably in my next video or two here. If you are in my area, you know how to do some body work. I don't really know how to do any of this, so I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. But if you want to be in my next video and you want to come by and help me out, help me do a little bit of carbon fiber work, let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll put my tag below or my link below to my Instagram. Please just let me know. But yeah, like I said, looking forward to getting this on. Got an unexpected carbon fiber part. I'll tell you exactly how much I got it for. That is either a Cybon or a ARP or APR, I don't even know, carbon fiber rear diffuser cover. They get it from anywhere between $500 and $720, what I've been seeing online for brand new. I mean, it's a nice piece. It only weighs about 2 pounds. I can lift it up with a finger. I picked that thing up for $40 today off of someone's FRS he just picked up, and he's flipping it. So, I mean, I got a killer deal. So, a little bit of work I think we'll make it definitely worth it in the long run. But let me know if you guys like this. I can't wait to get it on the car, cleared and sanded. So, I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.